Hi Virgos, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, guys. Virgos, for your general energies, career situation, and relationship, guys. Virgos, we are picking few cards, guys. So these are for your general energies. This is for your relationship, and this card is for your career situation, guys. And I have a special pick a card love reading for you all after this general energy. So if you are interested, you can stay tuned for that video, guys. So Virgos, let's start with these cards. We have Two of Pentacles, Page of Cups, and Eight of Wands in reverse. So with these cards, guys, in your situation, Virgos, you are trying to adapt, guys. Maybe you are trying to adapt in your life, finding that balance or harmony between your work and your relationship. Or you are trying to maybe adapt yourself in your work, or some new career path that has come up, or maybe some work related adaptation you are doing. Maybe you need to go to different places for work, so you are trying to be more flexible and you want to make things go in the right way today, guys. Virgos, in your situation. So this may be in your career or it may be in your personal life, guys. You trying to be really flexible today, trying to go with that change. And also, for some of you, I see that maybe there are some mistakes you have done. It may be in your work or it may be in your life, in your personal life, and you are really stressed because of that. You really feel guilty and stressed, worried because of that. Something is not right. Or there are people who are quite jealous of you. They are here ready to grab your opportunities or offers coming in your situation. So it may be someone in your career situation or it may be someone in your personal life, guys. Virgos. And Virgos, today you are getting some important news, guys. It may be a positive news, it may be a messenger coming, maybe it may come as a message or some kind of a news through a friend. So someone is sending you some important communication today, Virgos. So maybe it is something you expect, or for some of you it may be a surprise message, guys. And it is something giving you happiness, Virgos. So you need not feel worried. It is a happy news or some kind of a happy message. Maybe they are interested in you and they are telling about their interest or about their feelings through a friend. So some positive message is reaching you today, guys. So that is what I see with these cards, guys. Let's see what is the card specific to your relationship. We have Knight of Swords in reverse. So with this card, guys, in your situation, maybe for some of you, this person you love, they may see you as their rival. Some kind of jealousy they may have towards you because of the way you are or because of the way your life is going. So you are someone holding an important position in a good job, and you have you situation is good for you. So they are simply jealous of you, maybe, guys. So let's see what is the card for your career situation. So it is Six of Wands. So with this card in your career situation, guys, you have made a lot of efforts, and you have really succeeded on certain things, and today you are getting some good news, guys. It may be, so the news or a message we saw, it may be a good news in your career or a good news in your personal life, guys. So that is the reading, guys, Virgos. If you are interested, you can watch the pick a card love reading that is coming up right now, guys. For your love reading, guys, we have 3 cards here. So you can think about your situation, close your eyes, meditate, and open your eyes and choose the card that comes to you first. So that way the reading may resonate. So I will start with this card. This is your first card, this is your second card, and this is your third card, guys. So let's start the reading with the first card after a few seconds. Okay, guys, so now let's start the reading with the first card. Let's see what it is. What comes of picking flowers? Greed. So with this card, the energy is that, guys, maybe this is the time you are getting transformed. Maybe there are some changes happening in this relationship. So whatever is not working for you, maybe in your connection, in your relationship, you are changing, or that person is changing, and you are seeing a great transformation. Maybe you would have felt that you are unable to overcome that particular situation, find the right solution. But no matter what your challenges are, there are solutions, guys, and you are simply going to reach those solutions for your problems, and things are going to go in a very positive way. And you are, maybe for some of you, because of this connection, you would have isolated yourself from the people you love, your friends and family members. Maybe it is time you get back to them, guys. So you are healing from this connection. Maybe you are making things right. So whatever is not working, you are making those things right, or you are finding the right decision today, guys, for your circumstance. So that is the energy with this card, guys. For those who have chosen the first card, that is the reading. So let's see what is the second card for you all. So this is the second card, and this is a crystal spirit, guys. So with this crystal, it just means that in our connection, sometimes we are so much stressed or worried, and we jump to so many conclusions because of those worries, or constantly because we constantly think about our circumstance. But today we need to let go of these worries we have in our heart, guys, and be simple. Go for that simplicity. Slow down, listen to that other person, whatever they are they want to communicate to you, and simply say sorry, or yes, or I see as a reply. Simply be present. Simply focus your attention on that other person. So when you listen to that person, the words they speak, or the messages they send, or their body language, you are going to feel calmer, and you will be ready to face whatever challenges you have, guys, with this simplicity, with simple actions. So today you need to go for simple actions instead of reacting too much. You need to see what that other person is trying to communicate to you guys. So that is the energy with this card, guys, for those who have chosen the second card. That is the reading. So let's see what is the third card for those who have chosen this card. Fork in the road. So this means that you are in the verge of making some important decision, but you don't know which way to go, what you will choose today. And maybe in this love, maybe in this relationship, whether you want to remain isolated or you want to go deeper and commit to that other person. So this is the time for you to take that responsibility for your desires. Maybe if you love this person, and if it is true love that is the basis of this decision, you can go forward towards marriage or engagement or be committed to this person deeply, guys. But if your intentions are something else, you need to think and decide whether you want to move away from this person. So you have to make authentic decisions, guys. That is the energy with this card. So when you make authentic decisions for yourself, your life path is going to give you a very true experience, and that will please your heart, give you happiness. So that is the energy with this card, guys, for those who have chosen this card. So that is the reading for you all today, guys. Thank you for watching. If this reading resonated, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know your suggestions, guys. I will see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye, guys.